Assalamu alaikum students. Today's topic is partial fraction. As we know that the fraction is having numerator and denominator, and the partial fraction means a fraction is dividing into two or more parts. It's called partial fraction. There are two types of concept. One is proper fraction and the other one is improper fraction. Proper fractions are those fractions whose numerator degree is less than and denominator degree is highest. Like 3x plus 1 upon x squared minus 1. This is the case 1. We can write it down like 3x plus 1 into x plus 1 into x minus 1. In the case 1, that's called denominator will have non-repeated linear factor. When non-repeated linear factor is there, then the format of the partial fraction will be a upon x plus 1 plus b upon x minus 1. Second case, when denominator have repeated linear factor like 9x upon plus 3, x plus 1 having power 2. Then the partial fraction format will be x plus 1 with a linear power and the second unknown with the x plus 1 having power 2. Case number 3. Like for example, it's 19 plus 33x upon, for example, x squared plus 9 into x plus 2. This is linear factor. We can write it down like 2a upon x plus 2. And irreducible factor can be written in the form of x squared plus 9. Case number 4. For example, x squared plus 1. It's also an irreducible factor, but that is repeated, means it is 2 times. Then the unknown will be with the power 1, like x squared plus 1. Again, irreducible quadratic factor. Quadratic means power 2. It's cx plus d having power x squared plus 1 having power 2. These are the 4 cases. See this question. That belongs to case number 1. Firstly, focus on this part only. Like 2 upon x into x plus 1 can be written in the form of a upon x plus b upon x plus 1. It's a partial fraction technique. We will use the LCM. X into x plus 1. A should multiply by x plus 1 and b should multiply by x. The left and right will be cancelled and 2 is equal to a of x plus 1 plus b of x will be the final one. Let's suppose x is equal to minus 1. For getting the value of b, minus 1 plus 1 will be 0. Minus 1, 2 is equal to minus b and b value is minus 2. Similarly, x is equal to 0. It will be 2 is equal to a of 0 plus 1. b into 0 will be 0. A is equal to 2 will be the final one. Now see this one, this fraction. This is equivalent to this one. The a will be replaced by 2 upon x bracket plus sign. B will be replaced by minus 2, then minus 2 upon x plus 1. The integration will be given to both the terms. The final one, I'm changing the color. Like see this one. 2, 1 upon x means whenever the x are in denominator with the linear power, we will introduce the concept of ln x according to formula technique. Ln x minus sign, again ln of x into this one. And 2 will remain and constant will remain constant. According to the second property of log, we can write it down like x upon x plus 1. And the third technique will say that the coefficient can become power and power can become coefficient. The final answer will be with the green box. ये आपके पास, it will be your final and it has proved. Thank you.